0.00. Ohm, the symbol for ohm, 5% tolerance. R value of the resistance is 1,100 ohms. If you want to have a hobby in electronics, I strongly suggest, when I started off many years ago as a TV VCR repairman, having the basic formulas in front of you. And you can see the same values here. Everything I showed you. Number 1 is a number. Ours is 1. Let me verify this by looking at my cheat sheet. Number 2 is a number, 1. Number 3 is multiplier or divisor. The color tells the number of zeros to add. Gold means divide by 10. Silver means to divide by 100. I forgot to mention that. We have 2. 1,100 ohm resistor. Black, black, brown. 5%. So, when you look at resistors, and you see all these pretty colors, now you know how to read them. You'll need to know how to read them, so you solder them in the correct places. These correspond to those colors. Wait a minute. And then switch. What's this hole for? A diode, an LED, a light emitting diode maybe? But those, they didn't give me any kit. Anything, can't be a diode, anything to, this is a passive device. Passive means there's no voltage supplied. There cannot be a lit diode in a resistance substitution box. It's passive, meaning it doesn't add energy in the form of electricity to any device. They drilled a hole here, here are the screw holes, and a hole for nothing. Because that switch goes there, and these switches go here. And that's all they gave me. We have a hole for nothing. Yes, other people do make the mistakes. I just read how to use my new, extremely advanced oscilloscope. Which I'll show you because it's my favorite toy. Oscilloscope. And I'll turn off the conventional way. It's a digital oscilloscope, 1 megahertz bandwidth. This is an active device because it's also a function generator, sending out a signal of different waveforms that you can use to test circuits. Since it's sending out waveforms of energy, it is an active device. This is passive. I'm going to go ahead and solder in most of these resistors, then I'll leave some to show you how to solder them in yourself and assemble the rest of the kit to save time. That'll be in part 2 of this video. So we'll continue in part 2.